coffee. Yeah, I use this one. Really good combo for these two. I love it. Huh? Today, you guys. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Which one are you getting? Kendrick? You want one? I want Janice. There.
Try to leak out your last my tag. Time that we spend, we gon'
I thought you were I don't know. What am I gonna eat? Oh, let's look at the store. That's cool. That should be our dream. TV stand. What aisle is it? Welcome to IKEA. I'm gonna. Waiting for this moment. I will to IKEA. I got my TV stand.
I was so excited.
We're gonna go eat after this, so
Yeah.
I don't know where, but yeah. Is it packed in there? Chaveli.
Okay, guys, we're at Jollibee. I know. The first time here, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
I'm so excited. We have the same hair today. They have Powerade on the.
Second. Say hi. Sola, say hi. Hi. What'd you get?
This is one of them, and I'm putting.
I'm using my little pouch that I got from Daiso. That's what I have in here. Oh yeah.